Courses like these are so important for promoting STEM to young people. They get to show them hands-on activities, get to explore the engineering world, looking into different types of engineering from electrical to cyber to space.
The thing I've enjoyed most on this course is the experience from home and making new friends.
I wanted to come on this course because I wanted to explore the career options that there are in engineering.
I've really enjoyed the university environment because it's got really comfortable accommodation and enough space to hang out with your friends.
My favourite activity was probably making the radio because you had to work as a team, and I just thought that was really nice.
I'm still exploring my options, however courses like these help me expand my knowledge of my options.
Smallpeice really help engaging young people with engineering because they deliver hands-on activities.